It's 6 p.m. The sun's almost gone. The house feels quiet, and you are standing in front of the fridge. Again, you're not really hungry, just tired. But somehow, that craving creeps in. Shawarma. Warm, spiced, garlicky shawarma. And just like that, the mood shifts. The day might have been long, but this moment feels full of promise. You start pulling things out, some chicken, yogurt, lemon, garlic. Nothing fancy, just what you have. You mix, you taste, you adjust. There is something comforting about not rushing, just letting your hands remember what to do. As the chicken cooks, the aroma fills the kitchen. It's the kind of smell that makes you stop scrolling, take a deep breath, and smile without meaning to. The world outside feels far away. Right now, it's just you, the sizzle, and the feeling of creating something good. You toss the bread, spread the garlic sauce, add a bit of salad for crunch, and then wrap it all up, like you're tucking the day to rest. The first bite, it's everything juicy, warm, perfect. And in that moment, you realize maybe it was never about the shawarma. Maybe it's about slowing down, about finding a little joy in ordinary evenings, about reminding yourself that even after a long, messy day, you can still create something beautiful right here in your own kitchen. Some cravings aren't random, they are just your soul asking for comfort. And here's my take on the most juiciest shawarma I ever made at 6 p.m. Enjoy it like I did.